what's up, guys?
Who's a good boy?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mountain Creek Vlog 11. We out here on a Sunday. It is 3/11. It's like 52 degrees. Yeah, we're headed up the creek. I don't know if Josh has been on the Mountain Creek Vlogs yet, but yeah, this is my boy Josh. We got Sean, you know, orange boy bad. Comment section, leave something for Sean. Tell me something. He's really been lighting it up recently. Yeah, so South Peak is closed because there was a fire inside the engine of their chairlift. They're fixing it right now, but we're gonna get some shredding clips. It's gonna be a good time, guys. Hope you enjoy. We're pulling up the creek right now, about to throw our stuff on and be up on the mountain. So
Stay tuned next time.
all right, so we just got here. It's a pretty big deal. We got front row, first spot,
Primo.
right in the front. Let's go.
Snow update.
Snow update.
Snow update.
Snow update.
Snow update. Currently,
It's nice out.
South Peak is ruined. The lift destroyed. All the snow melted. So we're on Bear Peak, which is right next to South Peak, and surprisingly unaffected by this crazy meltage. We're gonna shred Bear Peak and then South Peak later when the snow grows up.
South Peak's closed.
I felt like I just hit a slammo. I was trying to be a sweet boy, tried to go fakey, didn't go fakey, caught edge, smacked my head, but I'm good. Lost my googles, but they're back.
As you saw in the last clip, Sean is a really good snowboarder. He's progressing so quickly that he's already trying to learn flips. So I'm filming him, right? Just, you know, some casual cruiser clips. And this guy all of a sudden is just upside down and backwards down the mountain, snaps his foot out of the binding somehow. This is snowboarding. Orange man bad. Sunset. So freaky.
Not the Kia!
Do burnout! What up, boy? Boy.
Wah, wah. You already know.
We got Eric Botke, boys.
That's right.
He's a two-planker, but he's respected. He's respected. What's up, guys? Chilling back in Josh's car. The GoPro battery's about to die. I forgot to charge both of them for some reason. So, yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. Not very long, obviously. Only got a couple clips. Either way, still a fun day. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment something interesting. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.